Maureen Wilansky of MakingItAllFit.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious gluten-free enchilada with some corn tortillas. So first of all, you know how corn tortillas are really hard and you don't want them to crack when you're filling them. So I'm going to put this in the oven first, and see I have a damp towel over my corn tortilla, and I'm just going to warm it in the oven while I mix my ingredients together. Okay, so here I have cream cheese, a cup of cream cheese. Doesn't that sound good? So I've chopped up my grilled chicken and put it in. I'm trying to make it as small as possible so that we can, fit it easily into our tortilla. So I'm going to make sure that I have some little pieces going on in here. Okay. There we go. And our chicken. And now I also have 4 olives, and I'm just going to chop those up. Olives are great in these enchiladas because it gives you just kind of a little pop. Not that the enchilada sauce isn't going to either, but just something different. It's kind of a different flavor. Okay? I'm going to mix this together. And so some of this is going to go into the corn tortilla, and some is I'm going to layer it at the bottom with my enchilada sauce. Okay, so let me get out my corn tortilla. So now I'm just going to take it out and place it on the paper towel. Okay, so enchilada sauce, we're going to just coat the bottom of the pan. Add a little bit of our chicken and cream cheese and olive mixture. Coat the bottom with that. So you're going to have all kinds of layers of flavor. Okay, now here comes the interesting part, filling the corn tortilla. So I'm going to try my best to make sure it does not crack. Well, I hear it, but it's not going to. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to place that sideways on top and then add some cheese. And top it off with a little more of the enchilada sauce. Okay. Now you just bake that in the oven for 30 minutes, and you are going to have a delicious enchilada dinner. I'm Maureen Wilansky of MakingItAllFit.com.